Welcome back to Tansy Academy. In this video, we'll be talking about the SQL client tool that you would need so that you can write SQL commands and submit to your database server. We have talked a little bit about this in chapter 2. So let's start our lesson on client tools. If you remember, this is the image, or this is the architecture, or this is how your DB server and laptop will get connected and they will communicate each other. So this is the DB server. So we are going to talk about the DB server and DBMS all that in different video. But here, yeah, assume that you have a DB server and then you have a database in there and you have your tables. You can have multiple database and each database can have multiple tables. Now you need a software on your desktop or laptop so that you can write SQL commands in this software and submit it to the database server so that you can get your results back. Okay, so your computer has many softwares. It might have a calendar software, email software, even WhatsApp software. You install a lot of softwares on your computer, and definitely you need either a desktop PC or laptop. You cannot do this with your mobile phones. Okay, this is already mentioned in chapter 1, lesson 1 introduction, course introduction. Okay, so now what is the name of the software tools that you will be installing on your PC so that you can connect to the server and start writing your queries? So that's what we are going to look at in this video. So see, this is the setup where the DB server, database server is somewhere in the cloud. Okay, and this is the setup where you are installing the database server software as well as the client tool software on your same desktop PC or laptop. Okay, see, if you are like, let's say you are doing a project in Postgres, MySQL, we have few of the providers, cloud providers, who let you create this DB server and the database for free. Maybe we won't be able to find something like that for Oracle or MySQL. So in that case, as a student, you will be forced to install your DBMS software, server software on your computer, at the same time install client tool on your. See, this is required irrespective of where this resides. Okay, and then if you don't want to do this, you can spend some money and try to rent your Oracle or MySQL server from AWS or Azure. You can do that as well. Or if you don't want to spend money, you install both on the computer. But this lesson is with respect to this client tool. So what are the softwares that you need to install as a SQL client tool? So if you are doing a project on a MySQL database, we recommend you to download Workbench. If you are doing your project on Postgres DB platform, we recommend you to download pgadmin on your computer, install and open the software. If you are doing your project in Oracle, we recommend you to use SQL Developer. If you are doing your project in MS SQL Server, we recommend you to download Azure Data Studio, and there is other option also, SQL Server Management Studio. But this is a recommendation. If you want to use any other client software tool, that's okay, as long as you can connect to your database on a given platform and then write your queries and complete your assignments. Okay, and these are not the only client tool softwares or application softwares available in the market to talk to a database. There are a lot of client tools that you can go after, but the thing is, these are all freely available. You don't have to pay for the license. When it comes to something like Aqua Data Studio, you have to pay license, and some of these client tools will let you connect to multiple database. Let's say Aqua Data Studio, you can connect to MySQL, you can connect to Postgres, Oracle, MS SQL. But if you're talking about something like pgadmin, you can only connect to Postgres database. Okay, and yeah, that's it for this lesson. Thanks a lot.